Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stew. First, prepare your chicken by cutting about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs into 1-inch pieces. Season the chicken generously with salt and pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large Dutch oven or pot over medium-high heat. Sear the chicken in batches for about 5 minutes per side until nicely browned. This step builds a rich flavor foundation for your stew. After searing the chicken, remove it from the pot and set it aside. In the same pot, add 1 chopped large onion, 2 diced carrots, and 2 stalks of diced celery. Sauté these vegetables over medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes until they soften. Next, stir in 3 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until fragrant. This aromatic base is crucial for a delicious stew. Now it's time to build the liquid base. Deglaze the pot with 1 cup of dry white wine or chicken broth, scraping up any brown bits. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth and 1/14. 5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Add a bay leaf and a sprig of fresh thyme. Return the seared chicken to the pot, bring it to a simmer, then reduce heat and cook for 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. To thicken your stew, create a slurry by mixing 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water. Stir this mixture into the simmering stew and cook for a few minutes until it thickens to your desired consistency. Finally, add 1 cup of frozen peas and cook for another 2 minutes. Remove the bay leaf and thyme sprig, then garnish with fresh chopped parsley. Serve your hearty chicken stew hot and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.